नमस्तान्नम्रेभ्यस्तनकलशभारेण गुरुणा दधानेभ्यश्चूडाभरणममृतस्यन्ति शिशिरं सदा वास्तव्येभ्यः सविधभुवि कंपाख्यसरितः यशोव्यापारेभ्यः सुकृतविभवेभ्यो रतिपतेः. Namastat is a compound word. The t in the end changes to n because of sandhi. Namrebhyah bhasmaha pranaha. Namastan namrebhyah because of sandhi. Visarga changes to su there. Stanakalasha bharena is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Namrebhyah stanakalasha bharena because of sandhi. Guruna. Dadhanebhyah dha second dha and bha armaha pranaha. Visarga changes to shu there. Chudabharanam is a compound word. Bhasmaha pranaha. Dadhanebhyashchudabharanam because of sandhi. Amritasyandi is a compound word. Chudabharanam amritasyandi shishiram. Namastan namrebhyastanakalasa bharena guruna dadhanebhyashchudabharanam amritasyandi shishiram. Sada vastavyebhyah bhasmaha pranaha. Visarga changes to su there. Savidha bhuvi is a compound word. Dha and bhar maha pranaha. Vastavyebhyah savidha bhuvi because of sandhi. Kampakhya saritaha is a compound word. Kha is maha pranaha. Yashovyaaparebhyah is a compound word. Bhas maha pranaha. Visarga changes to su there. Sukruta vibhavebhyah is a compound word. Both bhasa maha pranaha. Yashovyaaparebhyah sukruta vibhavebhyah because of sandhi. Sukruta vibhavebhyah becomes sukruta vibhavebhyo because of sandhi. Ratipatehe is a compound word. Sada vastavyebhyah savidha bhuvi kampakhya saritah यशोव्यापारेभ्यः सुकृतविभवेभ्यो रतिपतेः. नमस्तान्नम्रेभ्यस्तनकलशभारेण गुरुणा दधानेभ्यश्चूडाभरणममृतस्यन्ति शिशिरं सदा वास्तव्येभ्यः सविधभुवि कम्पाख्यसरितः यशोव्यापारेभ्यः सुकृतविभवेभ्यो रतिपतेः. असूयन्ति काचिन्मरकतरुचो नाकिमुकुटीकदम्बं चुम्बन्ति चरणनखचन्द्रांशुपटलैः तमोमुद्रां विद्रावयतु मम काञ्चीनिलयना हरोत्सङ्गश्रीमन्मणिगृहमहादीपकलिका. Asooyanti kachit. The t in the end changes to n because of sandhi. Marakata ruchaha is a compound word. Kachin marakata ruchaha because of sandhi. Marakata ruchaha becomes marakata rucho because of sandhi. Naki mukuti kadambam is a compound word. Chumbanti. Naki mukuti kadamban chumbanti because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Charananakha chandramshu patalaihi is a compound word. Nakha khas mahapranaha. Asooyanti kachin marakatarucho naki mukuti kadamban chumbanti charananakha chandramshu patalaihi. Tamo mudram is a compound word. Vidravayatu. Tamo mudram vidravayatu because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Mama Kanchi Nilayana is a compound word. Harotsanga Shriman Manigriha Mahadeepa Kalika is a compound word. Harotsanga Shriman Manigriha Mahadeepa Kalika. Tamo Mudram Vidravayatu Mama Kanchi Nilayana Harotsanga Shriman Manigriha Mahadeepa Kalika. Asooyanti kachiन्मरकतरुचो नाकिमुकुटीकदम्बं चुम्बन्ति चरणनखचन्द्रांशुपटलैः तमो मुद्रां विद्रावयतु मम काञ्चीनिलयना हरोत्सङ्गः श्रीमन्मणिगृहमहादीपकलिका